Today we're diving into the world of green technologies, a field that's rapidly transforming how we live, work, and interact with our environment. Green tech refers to innovative solutions designed to reduce environmental impact and promote sustainability. From renewable energy sources to smart devices that help us save resources, these technologies are shaping a cleaner, greener future. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts, real-world examples, and the exciting potential of green tech. Let's start by understanding what makes technology green and why it's so crucial for our planet's future. Green technology, also known as clean technology, encompasses products, services, and processes that use renewable materials and energy sources. The goal is to minimize pollution, conserve natural resources, and reduce carbon emissions. This approach not only benefits the environment but also supports economic growth by creating new industries and jobs. As we move forward, green technology is becoming a vital part of our daily lives, from the energy we use to the products we buy. Let's look at some of the main areas where green tech is making a difference. One of the most significant advancements in green technology is the development of renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power are leading the way in providing clean, sustainable energy. These sources are not only abundant but also help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which are major contributors to climate change. By harnessing the power of nature, we can generate electricity with minimal environmental impact. In the next scenes, we'll explore each of these renewable energy sources in more detail. Solar power captures energy from the sun using photovoltaic cells, which convert sunlight into electricity. This technology has become increasingly affordable and efficient, making it accessible for homes, businesses, and even large-scale power plants. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops or in solar farms, providing clean energy with no emissions. As technology advances, solar power continues to play a crucial role in the transition to a sustainable energy future. Wind energy is another powerful renewable resource. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of moving air into electricity. These turbines are often found in large wind farms, both on land and offshore. Wind energy is clean, renewable, and increasingly cost-effective. As more countries invest in wind power, it's becoming a major contributor to global electricity generation, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Hydropower uses the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Dams and turbines are commonly used to harness this power, making hydropower one of the oldest and most reliable forms of renewable energy. It's especially valuable for providing a steady supply of electricity and supporting grid stability. While large dams can have environmental impacts, new technologies are making hydropower more sustainable and less disruptive to ecosystem. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity and provide heating. By drilling into hot rock formations, we can access steam or hot water that powers turbines. Geothermal plants have a small land footprint and produce minimal emissions, making them a sustainable option for regions with geothermal resources. This technology is especially useful for providing consistent, baseload power. As renewable energy sources like solar and wind are intermittent, effective energy storage is essential. Technologies such as advanced batteries, pumped hydro, and thermal storage help store excess energy for use when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. These solutions are critical for ensuring a reliable and stable energy supply, making renewables more practical for everyday use. Smart grids use digital technology to monitor and manage electricity flow efficiently. They can automatically balance supply and demand, integrate renewable energy sources, and quickly respond to outages. Smart grids also empower consumers to track their energy use and make informed decisions, leading to greater energy savings and reduced environmental impact. Green technologies are revolutionizing the way we design and construct buildings. Energy-efficient buildings use advanced insulation, smart windows, and efficient lighting and HVAC systems to minimize energy consumption. These buildings often incorporate renewable energy sources and sustainable materials, reducing their carbon footprint and operating costs while providing healthier indoor environments. Use of sustainable materials is a key aspect of green technology. These materials are sourced responsibly, often recycled or renewable, and have a lower environmental impact compared to traditional options. Examples include bamboo, recycled steel, and low VOC paints. By choosing sustainable materials, we can reduce waste, conserve resources, and create products that are better for both people and the planet. Transportation is a major source of pollution, but green technologies are changing that. Electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and biofuels are making transportation cleaner and more efficient. Public transit systems are also adopting green solutions, such as electric buses and bike-sharing programs. These advancements help reduce emissions, improve air quality, and make cities more livable. Electric vehicles, EVs, are at the forefront of green transportation. Powered by batteries, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions and are much more energy efficient than traditional gasoline cars. As battery technology improves and charging infrastructure expands, EVs are becoming more accessible and affordable for everyone. This shift is a major step toward reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Hydrogen fuel cells generate electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, producing only water as a byproduct. This technology is being used in vehicles, buses, and even trains. Hydrogen fuel cells offer fast refueling and long driving ranges, making them a promising solution for heavy-duty transportation and long-distance travel. Biofuels are produced from renewable biological resources like plants and algae. They can replace or supplement traditional fossil fuels in cars, trucks, and airplanes. Biofuels help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and support rural economies by creating new markets for agricultural products. As research continues, new types of biofuels are being developed that are even more sustainable and efficient. Green technology is also transforming public transportation. Electric buses, light rail systems, and bike sharing programs are making it easier for people to get around without relying on personal cars. These innovations reduce traffic congestion, lower emissions, and promote healthier, more active lifestyles. Cities around the world are investing in green transit to create more sustainable urban environments. Smart home technologies help us save energy and reduce waste. Devices like smart thermostats, energy-efficient appliances, and automated lighting systems allow us to control our energy use more effectively. These technologies not only lower utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing our overall environmental footprint. Water is a precious resource, and green technologies are helping us use it more wisely. Low-flow fixtures, smart irrigation systems, and water recycling technologies are making it easier to conserve water at home, in agriculture, and in industry. These solutions help reduce water waste, lower costs, and ensure that clean water is available for future generations. Green technology is revolutionizing waste management. Advanced recycling systems, composting, and waste-to-energy technologies are reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. These solutions help recover valuable materials, generate clean energy, and minimize pollution. By managing waste more effectively, we can protect the environment and conserve resources for future generations. Circular economy is a concept that aims to eliminate waste by keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. Green technologies support this by enabling recycling, remanufacturing, and sustainable product design. This approach reduces the need for new resources, lowers environmental impact, and creates new economic opportunities. Urban green spaces such as parks, gardens, and green roofs play a vital role in making cities more sustainable. These spaces help reduce urban heat, improve air quality, and provide habitats for wildlife. Green technologies are used to design and maintain these areas, making cities healthier and more enjoyable places to live. Vertical farming uses green technology to grow food in stacked layers, often indoors. This method uses less land and water than traditional farming and can be located close to urban centers, reducing transportation emissions. LED lighting, hydroponics, and automated systems make vertical farming efficient and sustainable, helping to feed growing populations. Precision agriculture uses technology to optimize farming practices. Sensors, drones, and data analytics help farmers monitor crops, apply water and fertilizers more efficiently, and reduce waste. These tools increase yields, lower costs, and minimize environmental impact, making agriculture more sustainable for the future. Green technologies are transforming manufacturing by reducing pollution and conserving resources. Clean manufacturing processes use less energy and water, produce fewer emissions, and generate less waste. Innovations like 3D printing and closed-loop systems are making it possible to create products more sustainably, benefiting both businesses and the environment. Packaging is a major source of waste, but green technologies are offering solutions. Biodegradable materials, reusable containers, and minimalistic designs help reduce packaging waste. Companies are adopting these innovations to meet consumer demand for sustainable products and to minimize their environmental impact. Data centers consume vast amounts of energy, but green technologies are making them more efficient. Innovations like advanced cooling systems, renewable energy integration, and energy-efficient hardware help reduce their carbon footprint. As our reliance on digital services grows, green data centers are essential for a sustainable future. Fashion industry is embracing green technology to reduce its environmental impact. Sustainable fashion uses eco-friendly materials, ethical manufacturing, and recycling programs to create clothing that's better for the planet. Consumers are increasingly seeking out brands that prioritize sustainability, driving positive change in the industry. Green technologies are making their way into everyday products. From biodegradable cleaning supplies to energy-efficient electronics, these products help consumers reduce their environmental impact. Companies are innovating to meet the growing demand for sustainable options, making it easier for everyone to make greener choices. Modern appliances are becoming more energy and water efficient thanks to green technology. Refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers now use less power and water while delivering the same or better performance. These advancements help households save money and reduce their environmental footprint. Lighting is a major part of our energy use, but green technologies like LED bulbs and smart lighting systems are making it more efficient. LEDs use a fraction of the energy of traditional bulbs and last much longer. Smart lighting allows for automated control, reducing waste and saving money. Solar water heating systems use the sun's energy to heat water for homes and businesses. These systems are highly efficient and can significantly reduce energy bills. By replacing traditional water heaters with solar-powered ones, we can cut down on fossil fuel use and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and store rainwater for use in irrigation, flushing toilets, and even drinking after proper treatment. This technology helps conserve water, reduce demand on municipal systems, and lower water bills. It's a simple yet effective way to make our homes and communities more sustainable. Green roofs and living walls are innovative ways to bring nature into urban environments. These systems use plants to insulate buildings, reduce energy use, and improve air quality. They also provide habitats for wildlife and help manage stormwater, making cities more resilient and attractive. Green technology is making urban mobility more sustainable. Electric scooters, bike sharing, and integrated public transit systems are helping people move around cities with less pollution and congestion. These solutions make transportation more accessible, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Construction is becoming greener with the use of sustainable materials, energy-efficient designs, and waste-reducing practices. Technologies like modular construction and 3D printing are making it possible to build faster, cheaper, and with less environmental impact. These innovations are helping to create the sustainable cities of tomorrow. Green technologies are enabling better environmental monitoring. Sensors, satellites, and data analytics help track air and water quality, monitor wildlife, and detect pollution. This information is vital for making informed decisions and protecting natural resources for future generations. Carbon capture and storage (CCS) is a technology that captures carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial processes, preventing them from entering the atmosphere. The captured CO2 can be stored underground or used in other industrial applications. CCS is an important tool for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and fighting climate change. Green technologies are being used to clean up our oceans. Innovative devices and systems are removing plastic waste and other pollutants from waterways. These efforts help protect marine life, restore ecosystems, and ensure that our oceans remain healthy for future generations. Technology is playing a growing role in wildlife conservation. Drones, camera traps, and tracking devices help monitor animal populations and protect endangered species. These tools provide valuable data for conservationists and help prevent poaching and habitat loss. Educational institutions are adopting green technologies to reduce their environmental impact. Solar panels, energy-efficient buildings, and digital learning tools are making schools and universities more sustainable. These efforts also help educate the next generation about the importance of sustainability. Government policies play a crucial role in promoting green technology. Incentives, regulations, and investments support the development and adoption of sustainable solutions. By setting ambitious targets and providing funding, governments can accelerate the transition to a greener economy. Businesses are increasingly adopting green technologies to meet sustainability goals and respond to consumer demand. Corporate sustainability initiatives include reducing energy use, minimizing waste, and investing in renewable energy. These efforts not only benefit the environment but also enhance brand reputation and competitiveness. Despite the many benefits, there are challenges to adopting green technologies. High upfront costs, lack of infrastructure, and resistance to change can slow progress. However, ongoing innovation, supportive policies, and growing public awareness are helping to overcome these barriers and drive the green tech revolution forward. The future of green technology is bright. Emerging trends include artificial intelligence for energy management, advanced materials for better efficiency, and decentralized energy systems. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that make sustainability a part of everyday life. Green technologies are essential for building a sustainable future. By adopting these innovations in our homes, businesses, and communities, we can reduce our environmental impact and create a healthier planet for generations to come. The journey towards sustainability is ongoing, but with continued innovation and commitment, we can make a real difference. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of green technologies. Let's work together for a greener tomorrow.